Yeah, good afternoon, Professor. My name is Deepak Reddy Kanchalna. Now we'll discuss about my project. It is Tesla stock price visualization web application, insightful analysis through interactive visualization. And the next one is coming to the introduction of the project. The main purpose of this Tesla stock price visualization web application, it can be understood by examining its key functionalities, target audience, and the value it offers. So we'll be discussing about the main purpose of the functional application. So one is key functionalities. So in the key functionalities, we can discuss about the data visualization. So the data visualization and financial analysis and investors, academic researchers, and informed decision making. So coming to the data visualization. So the primary function of the application is to visualize Tesla stock market data by using various chart types. We'll be using bar chart, scatter chart, donut chart. So it transforms complex numerical data into easily understandable visual forms, interactive analysis. So the application allows user to interactively explore Tesla stock performance over time. Users can select specific years and months, enabling them to analyze stock trends and patterns in a customizable and dynamic way. Financial analysis and investors. So this professionals can use the applications to analyze Tesla stock performance by aiding the investments decision and stock market analysis. So informed decision making. So by providing a clear view of Tesla stock trends, the application aids users in making more informed decisions related to investments and market predictions. And type of charts. So we now will be using bar chart, scatter chart, and donut chart. Coming to the technologies, we have used is the languages which I have used is HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. Coming about the libraries, I have used d3.js, and when come to data source, it is tsla.jsv file. Coming to the overview of data visualization, you can see in this slide. So importance of visualizing stock data. So we all know about how data is important, data visualization is important. So data visualization is important as exemplified by Tesla stock price visualization web application. It is pivotal in transforming raw data into actionable insights. So it not only enhances the understanding and analysis of stock market trends also, but also makes information accessible to a broader audience and supporting better investments and financial decisions. So the role of interactive charts in financial analysis are it is dynamic data exploration and has engagement and understanding. So the real-time data representation, customized analytic approaches. And coming to the bar chart. Yeah. So in the Tesla stock price visualization web application, the bar chart represents Tesla's closing prices in a clear and intuitive manner. So how it is typically done is, so vertical bars for each day and bar height indicates price. So X and Y axis representations. So the X axis of the chart usually represents the time dimension labeled with days of the month, and the Y axis represents the stock prices. So the scale on the Y axis is set to cover the range of closing prices in the dataset. So when it comes to visual comparison, this representation allows user to visually compare the closing prices across different days. So trends such as increases or decreases in stock prices over the month are easily observable due to the relative heights of the bars. So by representing the data in this format, the bar chart makes it straightforward to access Tesla stock performance over time. So providing a fundamental tool for financial analysis in a user-friendly visual format. And you can see the images here. This year it is the selected year is 2010 and month is 01, and you can see the image also. In this we can see date, close and open, high, low, and volume, and its values also. So here are the three different images that I have selected. And when it comes to line chart, so in Tesla stock prices visualization, the line chart is employed to represent a specific aspect of the stock's performance over time. So it typically focuses on a continuous variable like stock's lowest price each day. Here is a detailed description of its implementation and representation. So continuous data representations. So the line chart is ideal for depicting continuous data over a period. In this application, it might be used to show the daily lowest price of Tesla stock across a selected month and year. So each data point on the line represents the stock's low price on a particular day. So these points are plotted on a two-dimensional graph where the x-axis typically represents time and the y-axis represents the stock prices. So connected data points with a line, the individual data points are connected with a line, creating a visual flow that makes it easy to track changes in the stock price over time. So this line helps in identifying trends such as whether the stock is generally trending upward or downward. So you can see the images here. Now in this one, we can see the date as 2010, year as 2010, 0706, closing, open, high, low, volume, and everything. Yeah. When it comes to slider chart, so the scatter chart in the Tesla stock price visualization web application serves as a specific and valuable purpose in the context of the financial data analysis. It is used to visualize the opening prices of Tesla stock, offering insightful into a daily market commencement values. Here is how it fulfills this role. So the purpose of the scatter chart is detailed data point representation. So the scatter chart is designed to represent individual data points distinctly in the context of which prices. Each point on the scatter chart corresponds to the opening price of Tesla stock on a given trading day. So insightful into daily opening trades by visualizing the opening prices, such as scatter chart helps in identifying patterns or anomalies in how the stock starting each day. So it's particularly useful for spotting outliers or days with usual opening prices, which might be lost in other types of charts. So complementary analysis is when used alongside other charts such as line or bar charts showing closing or low prices. The scatter chart provides a comprehensive view of stock performance, adding depth to the analysis by covering different aspects of price movement. Now here you can see the image of the scatter line chart. So the y-axis is the opening price of the stock, and the x-axis is a day. Here different color independence that here different color shows the different values. And now coming about the second bar chart. So the second bar chart in the Tesla stock price visualization web application. So while not explicitly defined in the provided context, it potentially serves to represent different facets of stock data, complementing the insights provided by the other charts. So the use is that chart could be utilized to visualize metrics distinct from the closing price represented in the first bar chart. Possibly examples, Possible examples include daily trading volume, intraday price influations, or dividends, or stock splits, and each event-driven data representation. So another potential use could be highlight specific financial events or news impacting Tesla stock, such as announcement of new products, quarterly earning reports, or market news. Here are the images of the second chart. So when coming about the donut chart analysis, So the donut chart in the Tesla stock price visualization web application plays a unique and significant role in the visualization of stock market data. So its circular and segmented format offers a distinct perspective that complements the more traditional linear charts like bar or line graphs. Here is an overview of the role and the type of data it typically represents. So the role of the donut chart in visualization. So visual appeal and clarity. So the donut chart provides a visual appealing and clear way to represent parts of a whole. It's hollow center design and can offer more be engaging and easier to interpret compared to a traditional pie chart. And it is comparative, interactive potential, and types of data represented is its proportional data, volume or frequency data, time or time-based data. So in summary, the donut chart in the Tesla stock price visualization web application enhances data storytelling by offering a visually distinct and clear representation of categorical data. It provides a quick and intuitive understanding of how different parts contribute to the whole, enriching the overall analysis with its unique perspective. So this makes the chart not just an informative tool, but also an engaging element within the broader visualization strategy of the application. And now coming to the future enhancement conclusions. So the future enhancements are real-time data integration, broader data resources, advanced analytic tools, user collaboration, and sharing. So coming to the conclusion, the Tesla stock price visualization web application is a powerful tool for investors, financial analysis, and enthusiasts interested in Tesla stock market performance. It uses various interactive charts, bar, line, scatter, and a second bar chart, and a donut chart. And it allows for a comprehensive and multifaceted analysis of data stock. And now we'll be seeing the implementation of the project. Here we can select the year according to, and we can select the month. By clicking each day, we'll be getting different types of data. And this is the other chart. By changing the year, we'll be getting different type of data here. And we can enter any year from 2011 to 2023. Let's enter 2015. And month as 07. And we'll be searching. Now you can see the donut chart here. And this is all about my project. Thank you, Professor.